Where'd you say it was?
Bismarck.
Bismarck. Earlier this week, all of us from the test kitchen got together to see if we could come up with a recipe that would be fitting for Earth Day, which just happens to be today. We came up with all sorts of ideas, everything from chocolate almond bark, which resembles the bark of a tree, to classic dirt cups that most of us made as kids. Well, after tossing around what seemed like endless possibilities, we came up with a chocolatey peanut buttery cake that is Earth Day special. For the bottom layer, all we do is mix together some crushed chocolate sandwich cookies with a bit of butter and pat it firmly into a springform pan. After the crust firms up in the fridge, on goes a rich peanut butter mousse filling, which is simply a mixture of peanut butter, cream cheese, sugar, and some whipped topping. Then we spoon on a layer of chocolate pudding and finish it off with some more crushed cookie crumbs. All that's left to do is pop it back in the fridge to firm up, and it's ready to serve. So to honor our precious planet, go online and get the recipe for the ultimate dirt cake, so you can celebrate Earth Day or any day. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a feel-good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You eat endlessly.
It is really good.